What's up, YouTube friends? So last spring I lost my little earth angel Jessie, and actually at the end of December we were blessed with another little earth angel named Dexter. One of my twin brother's dogs had some puppies, and out of a litter of 4 he was the only one that survived. So he is my new little blessing, and he's already turning into quite the diva just like his daddy. When we first got him, I tried 3 different kinds of store-bought treats and he didn't like any one of them. So I was looking around Pinterest and YouTube and I found this really simple dog treat recipe using baby food and flour. You can use the vegetables, fruits, but today I'll be using the meats. I have turkey and some beef. I went ahead and I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now these couldn't be any easier, so the first thing I'm going to do is take a jar of baby food and put it in my bowl. Then I'm just going to sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of flour and then just mix it up. Now that looks just a little bit too wet for me, so I'm going to add just a little bit more flour. It's just kind of by a texture thing. So that's just about how I like it. I'll be using the silicone mold here that I got off of Amazon, and I sprayed it lightly with some cooking spray. If you don't have a mold, you can go ahead and mix this a little bit thicker and roll it out and just cut it into little pieces. So now I'm just gonna smear my mixture onto my pad. This is a 2.5 ounce jar. One of these jars will fill up about half of this mold, so I'll go ahead and do both kinds at the same time, and then I'm just going to smear it out. And you want to kind of scrape off as much as you can, like on the top, the extra stuff, because that's just going to burn and be like flaky mess at the end. So now I'm just going to get the beef kind all mixed up, and I'll bring you back when this is full. Alright, so it should look like this. Now I'm just going to go ahead and stick this on a cookie sheet. And I'm going to put this in a preheated 350 degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the recipe where I got this said that if you want a softer treat, it's 15 minutes, and for a crunchier treat, it's 20 minutes. I've cooked it for 20 minutes and they still turn out soft, but he loves them, so that's what I'm going to do. He's being very impatient, so I'll bring you back when these come out. After 20 minutes, it should look like this. It's just starting to kind of brown around the edges. So I'm just going to let these cool off, and then we'll demold them. So once they were cooled down, I took them out of the mold. Now these do not have any preservatives, so I like to keep them in the freezer. I just pull out about 5 days to a week's worth and keep those in the fridge. And then anytime my little man is being a good boy, he gets a few treats. I hope you give this video a try. If you want to see more of my videos, go down below and hit that big red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And let's just see if he likes these. Come here, baby boy. Here's your debut. You like them? He likes them. He really likes them.